Oh baby, pass me your love, oh, la Okocha, give them the lamba, Genevieve, oh, Genevieve, I beg you, give me your daughter. Yeah,
When flexing turns serious, Jai, cut it.
Hey guys, it's Angui. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today we're doing a hair get ready with me with hair from West Kiss Hair, and I'm just going to start off by brushing out the wig that I've already made and just trying to get rid of any tangles that the wig has. And I haven't done a voiceover video in a very long time, so just please bear with me on this one. We're going to get through it. So first off, I'm going to take my argan oil of Morocco and just put that all in the hair, just working it through with my hands, trying to make sure it gets everywhere, because this stuff really helps to bring like healthiness back to your bundles, and it also helps to give your bundles a little bit of a shine, and it's just an overall really great product that I love. And then after I put that in there, I'm just gonna brush it out some more. And when I usually do my hair, I'm usually watching something on my phone, which is what I'm doing right now. Now I'm just gonna start by actually styling the hair. So I always take my flat iron and go over like the first half of the hair first, and then I take my curling wand and I just wrap it around there and hold it for about maybe like 10 seconds. Usually I don't like to take a long time curling my hair, so I barely like hold it there. Like, I'm so lazy with my hair, but I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing once again, just so you can get the hang of it before I speed things up. So while you're watching me do this, I'll just be talking about the specs of the hair. This is a 6x6 lace closure, and that is 20 inches, and then the rest of the bundles are 24 inches. I made this wig myself, and I glued down the tracks and I sewed down the lace closure. I'll probably be making a separate video on how I do that one of these days. It's actually really easy and really simple, so if I can do all of this, you can definitely do all of this, because I am by no means a hairstylist. And as you guys can see, the hair is taking curls really well, and they actually look pretty good for me just doing them fairly quickly. So I'm just going to do this method to the rest of the hair until I reach the top. So before I do any styling to the rest of the hair at the top, I have to part the wig and then also tweeze the part. I'm just taking my rat tail comb to try and create a part down the middle and make it straight. Then I'm taking my foaming wrap lotion and just applying that to the hairs on either side of the part in order to try and lay it down flat. And then I'll be using my rat tail comb, trying to comb it out and applying more foaming wrap lotion until it looks as flat as I can make it. Next, I'll just be tweezing the part in literally any way that I see fit. I'm just going down that line that I created with my rat tail comb and just tweezing away. I don't take away too much hair, because over time it's obvious that your closure will shed. So this is why I don't go too crazy with plucking, because I want my wigs to last a long time. Next, I'm just taking my rat tail comb and creating a little line for the baby hairs in the part that I will be plucking behind. So at this point, I'm just plucking behind that line I created, and I'm not going to go too crazy here. I just want to take away some hairs so that the wig can appear a little bit natural and not so wiggish. I've just seen people do this before in videos, so I'm like, hey, it works, let me do it too. And then I'm just going to take the little comb shears and cut the front, which is where the baby hairs will be. Baby hairs are literally the hardest thing for me to do and swoop, so in the end we'll see how this comes out. And then next, I'm just going to take my little itty bitty scissors and cut off the extra lace in the front. All I'm doing is cutting super close to where the last line of hairs goes, and I'm trying not to make it too straight, but I'm not going like bonkers with it as well. And then I'm just going to be taking this hot comb I got from Walmart and the effort to smooth out like the part that is connected to the closure. I don't use a flat iron for that, so I just smooth that out with my hot comb, and then I come back in with my curling wand the same way that I was doing before. So I just use a hot comb on the closure part because it just helps to get the hair really flat. I don't even really like using the hot comb. This one I don't think it gets that hot, but it does the job, and I just keep running through it if it doesn't get as straight as I want to. And then sometimes I will also take the same curling wand and use that to flatten out the pieces as well, because sometimes the curling wand is easier to flatten out the hair than the hot comb or a flat iron is. So after doing this to the top of the hair, I'm just about done, and now I'm just showing you guys what all the beautiful curls look like. Like I said before, I didn't really do these super tight, but the curls still came out really good, and I'm really loving this color. It's like a soft chocolatey color, and that's what it looks like in the sun. But of course, when it's not the sun, it does look a little bit different. So next I'll be using my helmet head by Chi, and I literally got this at TJ Maxx for only $3. What a steal. I don't know how much it costs regularly, but like $3, I had to buy it. And I'm just gonna be spraying this all over the hair, but not too much. Going for a very light hold here, and that'll be the end of this part of the video, and then I'm gonna talk to you guys about how I put it on and what I did next.
So I just wanted to come back and show you guys what the hair looks like finished. I'm still trying to get used to the color because I've been wearing black for like the past 2 years now. I haven't worn a different color. I did not dye this hair myself. My hair stylist dyed it. Her name is @CrownByBWigs. I'll leave her ad down below. It's like a really nice pretty color. It's all mostly brown, and then the root is black. Don't roast me down below in the comments. I'm not a hairstylist. I just try and like finesse hair like to where it doesn't look bad when I put it on. And I'm gonna include some Snapchat clips because trust me, the hair doesn't look bad. I don't know what it's really looking like on camera for real, but like I can get away with it in person. I just feel like I need to make the baby hairs look better.
Says she wanna take me away. Says she wanna take me away. And please don't style, I'ma move to your friend. Look at my spice, she a catch. She probably in the top 3 in her batch.
My hair, I don't really like doing too much, and I feel like this 6x6 closure is really good. This is my first time trying a 6x6 closure. Again, the company is West Kiss Hair. 6x6 closure in 20 inches, and then I think the rest of my bundles are 24 because they're super long. But I really like this hair so far. I mean, I've only worn it for a day, but yeah, this is the hair that I'm wearing for this video. It's really easy to put on. I put an elastic band in it, and I don't even need the elastic band. I did use Got To Be Glued, and that made it look way more natural. My foaming wrap lotion to like try and like smooth my baby hairs. And then I feel like this is like my holy grail, and then also a wax stick. And I didn't know about this till the first time my hairstylist did a frontal. Like she used this to like smooth it down. So I like use this to smooth away my flyaways. I used to use the foam wrap lotion, which is a much cheaper option. I still do that, but like this just sticks, and it also like gives your hair a shine. Yeah, so I'm happy all in all with the way that this turned out. I'm trying to think of different ways to like give you guys hair videos without it being the same like all the time. So this was my version like of a hair get ready with me. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, like I always say. That's where I'll be posting this hair. Like when you go out, I'll be wearing it so you can just see it and get like constant updates on it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and like I said, I'll try and do better in like my next hair video and try and show you guys more. I just have to be able to set it up right because I can't do my hair while looking at the camera. I don't have a big mirror. But yeah, thank you guys for bearing with me, and if you have any questions, leave them down below for me in the comments, and thank you guys for watching.